In this video, we will answer the question, what are 3 good reasons for you to fight your criminal case in court? The answer to that question is coming right up. I'm Steve Gustitis, and this is my channel, Gustitislaw. If you are new to Gustitislaw, I post weekly videos on how to manage encounters with the police, how to effectively navigate the criminal justice system, and how to defend criminal charges. When I post a video, I welcome comments and I welcome questions regarding the content in the video, and I will respond to those comments and questions in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, subscribe. In any case, I appreciate you being here and being a part of the Gustitislaw community. This is our 3rd video in our series on the pros and cons of plea bargaining your criminal case. Links to the other videos in the series can be found in the description area below. Today we'll talk about the 3 good reasons to fight your case in court. Now, the decision to fight your case should be made only after consultation with a qualified and experienced criminal defense lawyer. But in my view, the single most important reason to fight your case is it forces the prosecutors to prove that you're guilty. In our system of justice, the burden of proof is on the government. They have the burden to prove beyond a reasonable doubt to either 6 or 12 persons on the jury that must reach a unanimous verdict before they can get a conviction. This puts a great burden on the state. They must bring in the witnesses. They must bring in the proof. And that's the single most important reason and good reason to fight your case in court. The second good reason to decide to fight your criminal case in court is your ability to seek out and obtain an impartial and fair jury to hear the evidence in your case and to render a decision about guilt or innocence. In most states, the lawyers on either side of the case have the ability to ask the jurors questions. And through these questions, your lawyer can find out important information about potential jurors, how they feel about particular types of cases, how they might feel about certain types of evidence that they will hear in the case. And through this questioning process, your lawyer can identify those jurors who would not be fair, and your attorney would be able to strike those jurors from the panel. The objective then is to obtain a jury of your peers that's impartial and that can be fair to you. In my view, that's the second most important reason to fight your criminal case, is your ability to obtain a fair jury to hear the evidence. The third good reason to fight your criminal case in court is your ability to defend yourself. At your trial, you have the ability and the right to testify in your own defense. If you wanted to subpoena witnesses and compel them to come to court, you have the power to do that if you and your lawyer decide that those witnesses would be helpful to your case. Also, your lawyer has the right to confront and cross-examine witnesses who come to court and testify against you. Through that cross-examination process, your lawyer hopes to discredit the testimony of those witnesses. And of course, during your trial, you also have the right to remain silent. And the judge would instruct the jury that if you remain silent, that they cannot use that as a circumstance against you in court. Of course, any decision to fight your criminal case and to defend yourself in court should be made only after consultation with a qualified and an experienced criminal defense lawyer. I'm interested in your ideas on what you think are some good reasons to fight your criminal case. If you have some thoughts, if you have some comments regarding that question, add them in the comment section below, and we can start a discussion that might hopefully be beneficial to others as well. I hope the content that you found in our series on the pros and cons of plea bargaining your criminal case was helpful to you. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I do appreciate you being here. I appreciate you being a part of the Gustitis Law community, and I look forward to seeing you next time at Gustitis Law.